In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to do a carousel post on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to start a post and then you're going to attach multiple images so that it can turn into a carousel. So I'm just going to click on this option, add a photo, and it's going to open this file explorer window. Then I can choose any photos I want to put in. So I'm just going to choose this one, and this one, these three photos. Then I'm going to click on open. Then I'm going to click on done. So as you guys can see, our carousel is already created. So now I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to say progression of creating a thumbnail. All right, then I'm going to click on post. So now I'm just going to wait for it to post, and then I'm going to show you guys how a carousel is automatically created. All right, so as you guys can see, the post was successfully posted. And now if I click on the post, as you guys can see, a carousel is created, and you can click on the arrows and you can go around. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out. I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.